Hello, this is my Miro, and it is the interactive whiteboard lesson that I've made for my future students about angles. And here you'll see columns with acute angles, obtuse, straight, and right angles. I have my directions for what I want my students to do over here. The first one is to use this pen tool to draw in the arrows of the clock to make its corresponding angle. The next is to drag one of these pictures into their correct columns according to their angles. And lastly, they're going to drag the definitions of each angle into their appropriate column. And I believe this is interactive because it's not just viewing information that is being presented. They have to interactively add the definitions into the right column and figure out the correct examples for each term.